Good afternoon, dear students. Okay, I'm back here to continue the unit called as human body. Is it right? So we are learning about the human body. In the last class, we have learned some of the introduction which help us to learn about the different aspects of the human body. Okay, let us learn one by one the different parts of our body which help us to understand what these body parts have their functions. Okay, first we are going to learn about the most intellectual part of our body called as brain. What it is called? Brain. See, dear students, the brain is one of most important part of our body which controls a whole body, which controls all organs of our body, which carry out number of functions. What number of functions? As like seeing, talking, hearing the sound, and also moving. Every different types of function which can carry out by the brain, control and carry out, and even also it can able to store the content as we call as the memory power ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ is it right? It is stored in our mind alva. So athara we can able to store everything in our brain which we call as the memory. And one more thing, dear students, this memory we can able to use many days, as we are keeping everything in mobile phone which we call as memory card. As same as this brain is also our body memory card which can store number of aspects. Dear students, this brain is safe and secure by a part of our skeletal system called as skull. Oh God, how horror no it is. So this skull is protecting our brain. The brain present inside the skull which protects by the bones, all bones which is present in this skull protecting the brain of our body. So dear students, our body, the man has approximately 1250 grams of the brain, or the 1400 grams of the brain. So the man and woman contains 1250 grams and 1400 grams of the brain, so which is helping to interact with all controlling and activities. Okay, next we will go about very important curious type of organ of our body. It is a human heart. So how it is doing? It's doing like this. Is it right? It we call as the heartbeat. Sound like dub dub. Are you listening this sound? Dub dub. Is it right? You're listening now? So this sound is called as the heartbeat. So it contracts and relax. Contracts and relax. What is the function of this heart? It helps to pump the blood, and that blood can transport all parts of our body by carrying different types of the materials like the nutrients, respiratory gases, waste materials, everything which carry out. So because of the pumping of the heart, the blood can able to travel in our body and carry out the function. Okay, the next third type of a organ in our body which is helpful to respirate, for the respiration, which we call as the lungs. So these lungs are helping us to respirate, which is able to respirate the respiratory gases called as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen ಮತ್ತು carbon dioxide ಅನ್ನು respirate. So ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಈ ಉಸಿರಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ respiration. What we call respiration, dear students. So lungs is helping us for respiration. And next, another type of a part which is helping us for next another important function which we call as the digestion and excretion. Okay, we will learn about the digestion and excretion, how it is useful and helpful in the next class. Okay, dear students, today how did the class about the three important organs of our body, that is the brain, heart and the lungs. Brain, heart and lungs. Okay, let us be understand in the next class about another type of organs. Okay, listen this class and write the work what I am giving you and interact with us. Dear students, it's a request from me that still we have to go by this online classes only. So that's why you have to completely listen these classes and try to understand and do the work which is given by the teachers. Okay, thank you everyone. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye.